name is Max. Today I want to share this book with you, The Sheep Who Hatched an Egg. It was written by Gemma Moreno. How did the sheep hatch an egg? Well, let me tell you. Lola the sheep was happy and proud of her very shiny and silky wool. But after a spring haircut, Lola's perfect wool didn't grow back. Actually, Lola thought her new wool was really messy and horrible. Just then, a small surprise fell into her world. It's a little chick. Lola's new fluffy wool gave little chick a warm home, and they became very good friends. When they said goodbye to each other, Lola was not afraid to have a haircut or fluffy wool anymore, because she knew she would get more friends. This story let me realize someone will get lots of friends because of their kindness, not having a perfect look. I'm also glad Lola found a new self. This day her be happier than ever before. Does this sound interesting? I believe you will enjoy it. Thank you for listening.